you see them start playing with each other and rolling around, and you just get a sense that obviously you don't associate Dungeons and Dragons always as dinosaurs straight away, but you do see them mingle and play, and you get a feeling of nature being intertwined with each other, and you really get a glimpse of it. There's light beaming through the trees, glistening down. It's kind of like speckling the ground. The area that you are is a little bit drier, so as they're playing, the bits of soil, the dry sandy soils, and a little bit goes in your mouth each of you, so you can taste the sandy soil. And then after a bit more play running around, they go off into the jungle. Take a look back, and if they could smile.
Max is going to be all like teared up.
Okay.
I need to go back and get in the puddle because I'm covered in shit.
You see,
That's your own personal choice.
No,
and this beautiful moment is disturbed by Skamp that's covered in shit, and there's this smell, pure pungent shit.
Oh! Why'd you have to ruin everything?
Giant pile of shit!
So you were like a dog running into a pile of leaves?
No, I'm like an interested scientist trying to figure out what it wanted to eat.
And what did it want to eat?
I don't know, I didn't find anything, it was just shit.